en welkom terug by Afrikaanse luistertoetse. Welcome back to Afrikaans listening test. Now this time you know what to do and we are going to try one ourselves and see what your score. Now, please make sure you have your rolwerkpapier with you. While you listen to me, you know what to do. Follow the recipe and then you will see the link to the quiz that you're going to complete and see after you have completed all the steps that we have exercised in the previous lesson, how you're doing with the first Afrikaans luistertoets. Is jy reg? Het jy jou potlood? Het jy jou rolwerkpapier? Is jou ore oop? Kom ons begin. Afrika olifante. Die wetenskaplike naam vir die Afrika olifant is Loxodonta africana. Loxodonta is 'n Griekse woord wat skuinstand beteken. Bulle weeg tussen 5 en 6 ton. So 'n groot dier neem natuurlik baie lank om groot te word. Hulle kan tot 70 jaar oud word. As jy op die rug van 'n olifant is, sal jy 3 tot 4 meter bo die grond wees. Hulle ore alleen is meer as 1 meter groot. Hierdie reuse ore word heeltyd beweeg om hulle liggaamstemperatuur af te bring. Olifante is mal oor water en sal minstens 1 maal per dag 'n draai maak by 'n watergat om te drink en om te bad. Hulle kom soms bruin van die modder uit die dam. Die modder wat op hulle grys geplooide vel droog word, beskerm hulle teen die son en teen insekte. Okay, now there's my text. Now you're going to go through the quiz yourself, but let's check. What will the keywords be in each question? Question number 1, you will most likely underline groot en bulle. Question number 2, hoe hoog? I need a height. Hoog, height. Question number 3, hoe oud? How old? I need an age. I need a number. Question number 4, ore beweeg. So now I need to see what the question asked me of the movement of the elephant's ears. And the last question, keywords, doen in watergate. Do in waterholes. Now, so I need to listen for a specific action, doen. Wat the olifante doen in watergate. Let's see how you do with the quiz. I will get your results or email me your results so that we can go on with a little more complicated one. Think before you click, dink voor jy klik en ek sien uit na daai resultate.